Where are we going today?
To a farm.
To the farm, Charlie. Yay! Let's go in. He's excited to see the farm.
I am too.
You are too. What are we going to see?
The apple.
The animals. You think to see animals, Charlie? Yeah. Come on, let's go in then.
Otters.
I do like otters.
I like meerkats and otters too.
Yeah. Can you see the meerkats? Look, there's one digging over here, look. You see the one digging over here? Hello, hello. The turtles. Yeah, he's big. Yeah? What else can you see?
Big turtle.
Oh yeah, there's a little turtle. Here, see? Big turtle. You're swimming. Yeah.
I don't like.
See the little crab, Charlie, on the top of the rocks?
I don't like crabs.
Crabs. Listen here. What about this chameleon? Can you see the chameleon on this branch up here? Chameleon. It's there.
Let's just see the frog.
Charlie, look. He looks like Bruce. It's the same as Bruce. It's not Bruce. It looks like him, though. It's the same kind of lizard. Here one, Bruce, probably a bit younger than ours. Oh, they are. There's someone just walking around. Here, look, Charlie. Yeah, he's in the water. It's a monitor. It's a kind of lizard. Yeah, freezing like a statue. Look. Look at all the leaves, look. They're going all the way around on the rope. Going all the way around. All the way from one side to the other. Come all the way back. To this one. This is where they live. Can you see? They all live in here. Big ant house. Hi, rabbits. Look at that fluffy one over there. I don't think you can, darling. It's a bit far down for you to reach. Hello, bunnies.
Big.
Yeah, come around then.
Look down there. Go black bottom.
Got black bottom. There's so many baby pigs. Just warming our babies up. And this one, look at her big belly. She's still got her babies in her belly. Goats. Yeah. Look. Nope. Didn't like that. They're not happy with the vet. She just gave them a shot, didn't she? Because they don't like you. You see all the goats? Can you see the big cow? We'll go down in a minute when these guys have moved out the way. We'll go down. Cow bum. Hi, G.
Hi.
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 goats, Charlie.
Goats. Goats.
Yeah, goats. It's a very cute one. She's gone. What's in this next one, Jay? You don't know? Should we go find out? Yeah!
Look at the animals.
Yeah! Let's go! Whoa! Hundreds of cows. Move! Lots of goats as well, look. They're climbing. Cows.
Here I am, here I am, here I am, here I am. Do it, do it. It's made of
Made of plastic. Got air inside so we can hear. Don't squish the bug.
what's
It's
that?
a little bug.
No, it's a blue one.
We have to go this way. Which way are you trying to get to? Okay, go on then. Yeah, ready, you come in. That was a bit of a slow slide. Come on, keep scooching. Does, you have to climb up it. Don't know. Which way do you want to go? Where are you trying to get to? Ready? You're tall and tight. Ready? Whee! Is it? High five. Yeah! And again. Not my, ew, not your feet. Ew. Ew. Gross. No. Yeah. Where you going, bud? Come up here. There we go. There you go. Oh. Hey, G. Whoa. There's a table in here.
Hey, that's out. Wait, this size is actually for Lisa.
It's just the right size for you.
Hi. Come on, Daddy. Look.
Yeah, just the right size for you.